Hello guys, this is my video of a video and then he's making the video but I'm here. I'm gonna start with mommy making almost all the video and I am gonna be second. And then we'll be lost making the video.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have got I think I mentioned this a few times, I've got a fashion show planned for the 29th of April. So I just thought I would vlog some of what I'm going to be doing, like planning the event, during the event and after the event, like what I think and everything. And yeah, I just wanted to take you on the journey with me. So first things first, I have got all these items behind me that I'm going to be using for the show. So it's a fashion show, entertainment and pop-up. So this one is supposed to have been in nursery today, but he's not feeling very well and they've returned him back to me. So I was hoping to have a nice quiet video, but that's clearly not going to happen today, Zane, isn't it? Do you want to drink water?
No.
Okay, so you just bear with me while we go through the course of this video, because I've been wanting to do this video for the longest time, but I've just kept getting distracted. Yesterday was my two kids here distracting me the whole time, and today I was hoping to have this video by myself. That's clearly not happening because I have got a guest. You saying hi, Zane? Okay, so I've got a guest here with me. I'm going to be unboxing all these things behind me for my fashion show. So it's on the 29th of April. So the course of the event is we're going to have 2 catwalk sessions. We're going to have like performances in between. There's going to be drinks and canopies on arrival, and then there's going to be like a 30-minute break in between for people to, like, it's sort of shop and sip break in between the course of the event. So that's kind of how I've planned it out. I have done quite a lot of things that need doing, so like getting all the performances in, getting all the models I'm going to be working with on that day, the vendors as well, and all those nice things. So all of that have been pretty much set in place. So I've ordered a few things I'll be using for the event, and I don't know what some of them are. I can't even remember what some of them are because it's been a few months I have ordered it. So I'm just going to be opening it to see what it is and if I'm keeping it or sending it back. So first things first is whatever is in this FedEx pack. Zane, come away from there, please. No. You're changing my light. Hold this one. We're going to be doing this together. Hold this one. Okay. So, okay, I know what this is. I've got, ooh, my jewelry. Ooh. I've got some of my jewelries. This African mark earrings. I did have some in for some time ago, and it's somewhere inside. Are you showing it to Zane? You say yeah. Come and stay beside me, and then do here. Okay, so I ordered this a while back. I had some somewhere in this warehouse space. I'm not sure where they are, so I've just ordered some more in because they tend to go quite quickly. So that's the first item in my piles of delivery. Next, I've opened this already. So because it's a ticketed event, I ordered some of this wristband thing. So when people come in, they'll get some of this wristband. And yeah, I've got 100 of it, or 150. Can't quite remember. It's been a while I ordered this. I think this might have been in January or February. This was like one of the first things I ordered straight away. So yeah, so that's that one. I'll just leave it in the park. And then Next, do you want to come down?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, we've got this bag of, careful Zane. So we've got this bag of 2 small boxes as well. Two. Oh, actually, there are 3. Don't do that. So we've got 3 packs of something in here. We're just going to see what it is. I actually like opening boxes. Feels like Christmas. No, Zane, don't put it on the floor. Bring it for me. I think it's some more earrings. Yep, that's what it is. I would need somewhere. Ooh. So I ordered some of this silver and gold African map earrings, and they look absolutely beautiful. So this is for one of the things I'm putting on my pop-up stand as well. So I just ordered a few things that I could use for pop-up. Do you want to show them, Zane? So I can throw this box away. And next off, this feels quite big and empty. And some more earrings. I want this to, when I got this, I want this to an event and everyone absolutely loved it. And I've done a few shoots with it. No, pick that one for me, please. So I just thought I would stock it up for my store. So there's different colors. There's this multicolored ones. There is the red ones. Are you showing them yours? There's the blue ones. And there's the green ones. I already have these 2 colors. So these 2, I'm just trying them out to see what they are. You okay? What is it? Okay, hold that one. So yeah, those are the earrings. And I've got one more pack. Ow. I've got all this bin on the floor already. Ooh, I've had so many people ask about this earring. So I've used it for I got one to use for my shoots. So I've got them 2 now just to see how people take to it or how people like it. I'll take pictures of them. I also put on my website as well. So that's that one. Okay, so I've got this one, and I think this is probably the earring holder. Oh, it looks quite small. Is this it? Oh my god, why is it so small? I actually thought it was something really massive. So this is it. Zane, do you want to show them?
Yeah.
Put in front of, yeah. So this is everything. It looks really big. I didn't realize it was going to be this small. Oh no. Should we put it here? Okay, so it's just going to be like that. And I'm just going to put some of the earrings on there. And yeah, I think I need a hand mirror saying that. You okay, Bobo? It's okay, sorry. I think I need a hand mirror because obviously people might want to see what the earring looks like on them. So that's that one. And next on my list. Okay, so this is next on my list. On my list. It's not really on my list. Just things I'm opening. Oh, I know what this is. So this is my mannequin head or display head. It's my whole body. to the other UPS for today. I've got a few orders that need to go out today. So that's this thing in this small box. That's interesting. Or in this massive box. Come on, Zane. Come. Let's show them this one. Okay, so next up we have is this big massive box. What are you doing, Zane? Are we opening it?
Yes.
Okay, so next up is this box. Zane, can I open it, please? I need to see what's inside all of them. In case I need to return anything that is faulty or damaged. Zane, remove your hand. This is very sharp.
Sharp.
Yes, sharp. Oh. Oh. Remove your hand. Careful, Zane. This is a really heavy box. So move. It's a box inside a box. Are they kidding me right now? What is this? Oh, finally. I'm not sure how many of these hangers I ordered, but I think it was quite a bit. Because, just to let you in on my next move, there's always something happening around here. So I've got these hangers. People tend to customize your hangers. I don't get the point because it's just a hanger. Anyway, so I've got all these velvety hangers, and I think it is 2, 4, 6, 8. It's 10, so it's probably 100 or 150. Be careful, not in your mouth. So there's this 10, and it's a pack of. It's a really massive box, like you would have seen. God, what is this? It's not funny, Zane. It's not funny. Okay, so I think I've got a pack of 100 in here. 3, 5. Okay, so I've got a box of 100 of these velvety hangers. So I plan to do a pop-up sometime in August, but it's not confirmed yet because, yeah, I've just not confirmed that yet, even though we're currently in April, May, June, July, August. That's 4 months away. But most of the things I am going to be using for this event on the 29th can pretty much also be used in August. So that's why I only just need to like book the venue if at all. I do have an idea of where I would want to use, but yeah, I just need to get it booked. So that's 100 velvet hangers. He wants to sleep, and you're going to sleep now very soon. I'll just move that away nicely. And then I've got all this. I've got 3 of this box of rails. I don't think I want to open them. I'll just leave them parked until facing the stuff of this table. He's just. Okay, so this is another mannequin head. I think this is more for like wigs because, dude, she's so huge. You saying hello, Zane?
Oh.
She is massive. Ooh. Why is her eyes covered? Why is your eyes covered? What should we call her? And she's got stuff in her hair. Ooh, she's got ear piercing. I'll get some nice earrings to put on for her. I like that it's like 2 different shades. So there's that one, and then there's this one. I've got one more, so I've got like 3 of these head things, and I think they'll be quite good for like my bonnet. Move your hand. Move your hand. Oof, a box inside another box. Really, people? Oh, there's so many boxes. So this says backdrop. Oh, this is the 4x4 backdrop. So on the stage, there is going to be a rail. Okay, so I have got that backdrop. Let me just see that it's actually black. I'm not going to open everything. He's going for another scissors. And I'm going to collect it from him. Yeah, so it's black and oh, it's velvet. I've got the rail for the stage. There is also going to be like the M.A.Dkollection LED lights on the stage on top of the backdrop. The person doing the decoration will get everything all sorted, so I don't need to worry about how that's going to work. The last box I have got here, right here. There's like 5 boxes inside. I wonder what is inside here. So it's like, does it say black?
Yeah.
Embossed. Oh, I think I know what this is. So a bit of a backstory before I open this box. Let me keep you in suspense for a bit. I had my gift bag custom made, but the size that they made was massive, so it's almost like this big for a gift bag. So I did say my measurements were not used, and I'm not using it only because I already have bags that big already. So if I was going to use something that big, then there was no need ordering a new one. So I did say I wasn't going to collect it, so I've had to do a walk around, and I've ordered, let me careful with this, 100 I have ordered 100 gift bags. Ooh, this looks quite big though. I think this is a bit bigger than I'd have expected it to be. So this is what it looks like. It's going to be a DIY. So for the gift bag, I have got some custom made jotters coming, custom made pencils. We're also going to have flyers for M.A.Dkollection, just so people can see catalog of kind of what we have. Get some people to put some other things inside if they want to, and that is pretty much going to be it. I like to think this is a bit big, but I think I can work with this. That's pretty much it, and that is a box of 100 that is nicely and kindly sent. Meantime, I need to clear out all those boxes I currently have here and go put this young man to sleep, because he is doing the most right now. Zane, bye to the camera. All right guys, I will catch you guys next time.